Welcome to qnawire.
Hi everyone, as shown in the figure, the conveyor belt is moving with the speed of 0.8 meter per second, over which a small packet is to be dropped. If coefficient of friction is 0.3, we have to find the distance covered by the labeled surface BC before coming to rest. So for motion along AB, the weight mg will act in this direction. Normal reaction here, component mg cos 30 mg sin of 30 and friction here. So from here n will be equal to mg cos 30 and kinetic friction is mu k into n, that is mu k mg cos of 30. So acceleration along AB mg sin of 30 minus mu k mg cos of 30. So acceleration of AB will be g sin of 30 minus mu k cos of 30. Now substitute the value 9.81 sin of 30 minus 0.3 into cos of 30. So it is to be equal to 2.3563 meter per second square. Using the equation, distance covered along AB, find velocity at V is equal to velocity at A plus 2AB into SAB. VAB is 0.8. Acceleration is 2.3563. Distance covered 2 meters, so it is to be 10.06514 meter per second for motion along BC. N will be equal to mg here it is a friction and that will be minus MAB. So acceleration along BC will be, that is the retardation, it would be minus mu k into g, that is 0.3 into 9.81. So it is to be equal to minus 2.943 meter per second square. Hence, BC square is equal to VB square plus 2ASBC. BC square is 0, V square is 10.665 square minus 2 into 2.943 into SBC. So SBC will be equal to 1.710 meter. That's all. Thanks for watching it.